Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's video. In today I'm going to show you how to make chapatis in two different ways. So guys, stay tuned. For the ingredients of the day, for the first recipe, I have flour, sugar, I have carrots, I have cooking oil, I have some salt, coriander, and I'm also going to use warm water. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my dry ingredients. I'm going to add some oil, carrots and coriander, then I'm going to add some salt as well, and then I'm going to make my mixture. So guys, stay tuned so that we can do this.
I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah, you're so easy to love, and I like when you say I'm the one. You're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy to love.
At this point guys, my dough is ready and I'm going to cover it. I'm going to use a cling film. You can use a wet kitchen towel. The reason why I cover my dough is to make sure that it has observed the moisture. When I'm going to roll it, it cannot be hard and it helps the chapatis to be soft. So we are back. The dough has rested for 20 to 25 minutes depending on the time you have, and here I am. I want to make the balls. So guys, let's continue watching.
The same way.
Here guys, I'm ready to start rolling the chapatis and I'm going to fry them and all that. I hope you're ready for this one. Okay, so guys, let's do this.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unwell. worthy. My heart feels heavy, I've lost already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so
Guys, welcome to the second recipe. I hope you have enjoyed the first one. So the first one we did carrot and coriander, and for the second one we are going to do an amazing one. I hope you are ready for this one. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you can be my notification gang.
We have all-purpose wheat flour, margarine, oil, cooking oil, mashed butternut, salt, sugar, and warm water. At this point, let's add our margarine.
Then I'm going to add all my dry ingredients. Go ahead, mix everything together. I'm also going to add the butternut paste. That's the main ingredient in this recipe. So guys, stay tuned and let's keep watching.
Try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. I try to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you, I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited, you wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you. You're mine, mine, mine. It's right, right, right. It's right, 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 right now. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you, come to you.
Guys, I don't know if you have noticed that my dough is yellow in color, and this is the hack. But before I give you the hack, some time back we went out to get chapatis and someone was like, I don't want the yellow one. And I'm like, why? It's because it has food color. You know what, honey? That is not food color. The hack is the butternut paste. Okay, so I want you to go out there, try out making your chapati using the butternut paste, and trust me, your chapatis will be yellow. We don't use food color when it comes to cooking our chapatis. So guys, here I am going to make the balls once again, and I hope you are ready for this. Let's do this.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Self-destructive, I take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way. Yeah, you're so easy to love, and I like when you say I'm the one. You're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy to love. Yeah, I can even focus on sleeping. You're so pretty every day I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing. If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way.
myself.